It's 5 already. Enough of this business. Let's go and make some apple business. Go with me. I'm back with my honey, lime, apple juice, and obviously the star of the show, my gin. Let me clean up here fast and then we may proceed. I'm back. So what we need is our apple juice. What I have already done, I put it in the freezer a couple hours earlier just to make it like a slushy based kind of apple juice. It's not perfectly frozen, but let's see. We're gonna try and see if we can open it up. I need to bring my glass. Give me a sec. Here's my chilled glass. I'm gonna place it there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop this apple juice, frozen apple juice in. Perfect. Put everything to a side. Then what you need lime. Everywhere is water is running everywhere. Cut it in half. I'm not gonna measure, but if you want to do it, you can just add 15 ml. I'm just going by my gut. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. I'm gonna squeeze the other half. Why am I doing it like this? Maybe I should bring my, give me a sec. I'm back and I brought some tissue. What you need to do, put it here and squeeze in. Much more hygienic and easier. Next step, you need gin. Add 60 ml. More if you had a hard day at work. And lastly, you need to add some honey syrup. But I don't have a honey syrup, but like if you want to make it at home, it's just basically 3 parts honey, 1 part water. So I'm gonna add some there. And I'm gonna dilute it with my water. Perfect. Give it a swirl so that all ingredients are mixed. I think I need to bring my bar spoon because I can see some honey being stuck at the bottom of my glass. It's getting hot in here. I'm gonna take my jacket off anyway the workday's done and keep swirling. The original recipe is 15 ml lime juice, 15 ml honey syrup, 60 ml of gin, and then you top it up with some apple juice. But I felt a bit creative, so instead of apple juice itself, I thought, why not freeze it? Yeah, I think that's good now. We can put it there. I also brought a straw with myself. Let me show it to you. And cheers. It's so nice. I really like the lime and honey flavor inside of it. Much better than some, I think it's much better than simple syrup or agave syrup. I really like the honey, so definitely stick with the honey. If you're gonna change the recipe, don't forget to add honey. Yeah. Don't forget to make this easy peasy cocktail. Do it after 5 p.m. or actually rather any time of the day, because you know what? It's 5 p.m. somewhere in the world. Cheers. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know if you're team business or Apple business. To be fair, Apple business. And don't forget, we're the Tipsy Duo. Just click there. But anyway, cheers guys. Bye. I'm gonna go and enjoy this now.